Our mind is a powerful tool that can help us achieve our deepest desires. However, more often than not, our mind focuses on what we don't have rather than what we want. It is important to understand that visualizing is a way to train and stretch the mind to make room for the manifestation of our deepest desires. According to Joseph Murphy, the author of the best-selling self-help book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, our beliefs, thoughts, and opinions that we impress on our subconscious mind are made to manifest in our experiences. So, how can we get our subconscious mind to work for us? The answer is visualization. But before we get started, make sure to hit the red subscribe button below this video to become a part of our YouTube family. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos, and you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and let's get started. When we visualize our desires, we become immersed in the state of having them, and it activates our minds to work on our behalf. For example, if a woman visualizes herself going to a small village outside of the city, where she can start a new life and write a novel, she can see herself sitting at a wooden desk, drinking a cup of hot coffee, and writing the final pages of her book. The repetition of this scene impresses her subconscious mind, and ultimately, resources become available that lead her toward the situation that she imagined. Circumstances are automatically created in favor of the goal that she visualized. The fact is, our subconscious mind can't distinguish between reality and imagination. If we imagine it, it will produce the same emotions and feelings that it will produce in reality. According to Joseph Murphy, there are two parts of the brain: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is responsible for producing emotions and feelings, which affect our attitude, behavior, decisions, and actions in our daily lives. But it lies below the conscious mind and can't differentiate between imagination and reality. It receives directions from the conscious mind in the form of thoughts and produces related emotions or feelings. The subconscious is linked to the conscious mind. Whatever the conscious mind sends to it, it receives without questioning it and considers it real. If we play a scene in our conscious mind, our subconscious mind will consider it as real, and it will produce the same emotions and feelings as if the situation were real. The mind tends to support our beliefs so that they get strengthened. It leads us to circumstances and situations that are favorable to our beliefs. Whatever we imagine and feel deeply, circumstances will lead us to experience it in reality, no matter what it is. It will come to fruition in real form. Pharmaceutical scientist and author Dr. David Hamilton, Ph.D., has studied the mind-body connection and says in his book, "It's the thought that counts." Why mind over matter really works. It has been inferred that thoughts, feelings, and intentions are able to affect our genes. In this opinion, everyone can harness the power of thoughts and feelings to bring about positive health effects in their lives. On many occasions, he talked about visualization and suggested many visualization techniques used by various people globally. In an article titled "Visualization Alters the Brain and Body," he comments that your brain cannot tell the difference between something real and whether you are just imagining it. Further in this book, he cites an experiment done by scientists at Harvard University that involved brain scans and imagery of participants in this respective study. Scientists were able to teach a simple 5-finger combination of piano notes to a group of people, which they practiced for 2 hours a day in the experiment setting. This activity was done for 5 consecutive days under controlled conditions. The results were astonishing. The group of people who only imagined playing the piano had the same increase in brain activity as those who physically played the piano. This is an excellent example of how powerful visualization can be. So, How can we train our minds to visualize and manifest our deepest desires? Here are some methods recommended by Joseph Murphy and other famous self-development teachers. 1. Focus on what you want, not what you don't have. Our minds tend to focus on what we lack instead of what we want. Shift your focus to your desires and visualize yourself already having them. If we want to get our subconscious mind to work for us, we need to understand how visualization can help us overcome negative thoughts and beliefs. Murphy teaches that whatever beliefs, thoughts, and opinions we impress on our subconscious mind are made to manifest in our experiences. So, by focusing on our desires and imagining ourselves in the state of having them, we activate our minds to work on our behalf. 2. Create a vivid mental image of your desire. Creating a vivid mental image of your desire is an important step in the process of visualization. When you create a vivid mental image of your desire, it becomes easier for your subconscious mind to accept it as real and for it to work towards manifesting it. For example, if you desire to travel to Paris, you need to imagine the streets, the buildings, the people, the food, the sights, the sounds, the smells, and the feelings you will experience while you are there. Imagine yourself walking along the Seine River, sitting in a quaint cafe sipping coffee and eating croissants, and visiting the Eiffel Tower. As you imagine these things, try to make the mental image as detailed and as vivid as possible. It can also be helpful to visualize yourself in the present tense as if your desire is already a reality in your life. Instead of saying, "I want to travel to Paris," say, "I am in Paris, walking along the Seine River and enjoying the sights and sounds." This way, you are affirming that your desire is already a reality and that it is just a matter of time before it manifests in your life. Creating a vivid mental image of your desire can be done through guided meditations, visualization exercises, or simply taking a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine your desire in detail. The more you practice, the easier it will become to create a vivid mental image, and the more powerful your visualization practice will become. 3. Practice visualization regularly. Set aside some time every day to practice visualizing your desire. Repetition is key, and the more you visualize, the more your mind will become accustomed to seeing your goal as a reality. A vision board can be very helpful in assisting you in the repetition. When we visualize a specific scene repeatedly, our subconscious mind starts to believe that it is real, and we start to experience the same emotions and feelings as we would in that situation in reality. For example, if we visualize ourselves in a new job that we want, our subconscious mind will start to create circumstances and opportunities that lead us to that job. We may receive a call for an interview, or we may meet someone who can help us get that job. The opportunities that arise may seem coincidental, but they are a result of our subconscious mind working to bring our visualized desires to fruition. 4. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goal. Believing in yourself is crucial when it comes to achieving your goals. It is important to believe in your ability to achieve your goal, as it will give you the confidence you need to push through any obstacles that may come your way. When you believe in yourself, you can overcome self-doubt and other negative thoughts that may hold you back from achieving your goal. One way to cultivate self-belief is to start by setting small goals that you can achieve easily. When you accomplish these goals, you will build confidence and trust in your abilities, which will then help you to tackle more significant goals. Keep in mind that success is a process, and it takes time and effort to achieve it. So, don't be too hard on yourself if you don't achieve your goals right away. Another way to believe in yourself is to focus on your strengths and positive attributes. Everyone has strengths and weaknesses, but it's important to focus on your strengths and use them to your advantage. When you focus on your strengths, you will feel more confident and empowered, which will help you to achieve your goals. Surround yourself with positive people practice self-care and take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Taking care of yourself will help you to feel more confident and empowered. Exercise, eat well, get enough sleep, and practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. 5. Take action towards your goal. A visualization is a powerful tool, but it is not enough on its own. Taking action toward your goals is a crucial step in achieving success. Having a vision or desire for what you want in life is a great initiative, but you must also take action to make it a reality. Firstly, it's important to have a plan in place. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to take action. This means putting in the effort and doing the work necessary to make progress toward your goals. It may mean putting in extra hours at work to get a promotion or spending time each day practicing a skill to improve. Taking action also requires perseverance and the ability to overcome obstacles. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but it's important to stay focused on your goal and not give up. Remember that every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow, and to come back stronger. Another important aspect of taking action toward your goals is accountability. It's helpful to have someone to hold you accountable for your progress, whether it's a friend, mentor, or coach. This can help keep you motivated and on track. Finally, it's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Recognize the small victories and milestones you achieve as you work towards your goal. This will help keep you motivated and positive. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool that can help you achieve anything you want. By visualizing and manifesting your deepest desires, you can overcome negative thoughts and attract positive experiences into your life. In conclusion, the power of visualization cannot be underestimated. It is a tool that has been used by successful individuals for centuries to manifest their deepest desires. By training your mind to focus on what you want, creating vivid mental images of your desire, practicing visualization regularly, believing in yourself, and taking action towards your goal, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, start visualizing your dreams today and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. As this video winds down, do share with us in the comments section any visualization techniques that have worked in your own life. Do share and subscribe to our channel as we bring you more manifesting videos in the days to come. Thank you for watching.